Good afternoon. 2001 Buick Century. I brought it in this morning. The horn was staying on, and as a result, he disconnected the fuse. So I checked it out and found out that the airbag, which is this here, the airbag on switch inside the airbag, the pad, the on section was sticking, and as a result, to keep the on staying on. So the customer recommend that he is unable to change the airbag now, and as a result, he require a universal on switch to be installed. You could get this universal on button for probably about $10. So I install it right on the airbag here. This is how it's gonna look after install. So the customer can press it and get on. But the installation is very simple. I didn't put it here because I don't sure about the airbag. You probably put a screw here and it may explode, so I didn't put it here. I could put it anywhere off here, but I put it here where the customer can still get access while turning the steering. He have access, could press the on. So I found a spot on the airbag where it's free from any damages of a screw when bolt down the universal on button, and I run the wire through it, come down here and come right here to the horn wires in the steering. And this is how it looks. You see, very cheap and cost effective, and you still have on until you can afford to change the complete airbag. When you do, we just connect by the on, the wires them back to the airbag, and you would have on again. So this is a cheap and cost effective way to install a universal on button, and they're very cheap. You can get them for about $10, and you just install them and you have on right there. Yep. Let me know in the comments, where would you put it differently, this universal on button on the 2001 Buick Century.